Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. At least 4 persons, including 3 security guards, were shot in another daring daylight robbery of a Beryllium Escort truck and over $23 million missing. The high drama unfolded at the Scotiabank branch in Portmore Pines, St. Catherine. Police say they are not ruling out a connection between Sunday's attack and February's deadly attack on another team in the same area. Giovanni Dennis has details.
It happened in daylight. There were cameras, but this action was anything but a movie scene. Security guards from Beryllium came under gunfire from heavily armed robbers. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay is head of the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit.
They were in the process of servicing the ATM machine when they were attacked by gunmen with high-powered weapons and handguns. A number of shots were fired. At the end of the shooting, 3 of the security officers were shot and injured.
TVJ News understands a civilian was also shot in the incident. The injuries are said to be serious but not life-threatening. It's unclear how much money has been stolen, but police report that over $23.2 million is missing from the Beryllium van. A Toyota Axio and a silver Subaru sedan, reportedly used by the attackers, were found abandoned in the Lakespen area. A joint police-military team, assisted by a helicopter, was combing the area in search of the robbers.
I'm standing mere millimeters away from where the Beryllium van reversed when it came under attack from 2 vehicles of would-be robbers. Now, police are still here, as you can see, processing the scene. Now, today's attack comes exactly 3 weeks after a similar attack, just a stone's throw away at a JN bank right here in Portmore Pines, St. Catherine.
We don't know the exact number of gunmen that were involved, but we know based on the number of spent shell that we saw at the scene and the shots that were fired, we know there were a number of persons involved.
This is mere a stone's throw away from a similar incident 3 weeks ago. Are the police investigating any possible connection where this is concerned?
And the same company as well, Beryllium?
Yes, so at the moment, it's a wide investigation. The investigators are not ruling out anything. The fact that we have 2 similar incidents, keen investigators would want to examine that as well.
A senior security guard who spoke with us on condition of anonymity said he cried when he learned of today's robbery.
It's coming like it's an attack on us. We heard that this scamming thing, they're really not getting any money anymore. So because we transport so many cash, so these men take set on us. And unfortunately, when we shoot these persons, we have to go face court, we have to go face human rights and all them sort of thing. These guys has family, they has children to go back home to.
On February 28, a security guard was killed and 2 others injured in the $10 million heist at a JN bank in the Portmore Pines Plaza. Police say they are working with banks to improve security.
I know that the local police, they will be, and they have started the discussion and will be in discussion with the banks. We know that the banks, they also have their own security systems that they do, so it's just that they will be discussing it some more. We can see how brazen these criminals are becoming, more brazen, so whatever system you put in, sometimes it's not foolproof, so they will still try to breach it. So even as we speak to individuals, we still ask them to be cautious.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
In the meantime, head of the St. Catherine South Police, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, says the police will step up patrols in the business community in Portmore as it is clear the recent attacks are organized and strategic.
Well, today is a Sunday afternoon, the last incident, Monday morning. So that would really take some serious predictive type policing to be able to reach in those spaces to know that there will be a robbery there, given the timing. So obviously there is planning taking place, there is surveillance taking place, and these guys are, organizing themselves and being very deliberate in the type of attacks that they are making. That would inform our deployment, going forward, looking on the most vulnerable points throughout the division.